हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू स्पीक विथ इंदू। आज हम सीखेंगे 50 वेदर इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस। आप हर सेंटेंसेस को ध्यान से सुनिए, मेरे साथ रिपीट कीजिए और रोज़ प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। इससे आपकी इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग इम्प्रूव होगी और कॉन्फिडेंस इम्प्रूव होगी। तो चलिए बिना किसी देर किए हुए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। आज मौसम अच्छा है। The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. आज बहुत गर्मी है. It is very hot. It is very hot. आज बहुत ठंड है. It is very cold today. It is very cold today. आज बारिश हो रही है. It is raining today. It is raining today. बाहर धूप निकली हुई है. It is sunny outside. It is sunny outside. आसमान साफ है. The sky is clear. The sky is clear. आसमान में बादल छाए हुए हैं. The sky is cloudy. The sky is cloudy. तेज हवा चल रही है. The wind is blowing strongly. The wind is blowing strongly. हल्की हवा चल रही है. A light breeze is blowing. A light breeze is blowing. मौसम बदल रहा है. The weather is changing. The weather is changing. आज उमस है. It is humid today. It is humid today. बारिश शुरू हो गई है. It has started raining. It has started raining. बारिश रुक गई है. The rain has stopped. The rain has stopped. छाता ले लो. Take an umbrella. Take an umbrella. Raincoat पहन लो. Wear a raincoat. Wear a raincoat. बाहर मत जाओ. Don't go outside. Don't go outside. मौसम बहुत सुहावना है. The weather is very pleasant. The weather is very pleasant. आज बहुत तेज धूप है. The sun is very strong today. The sun is very strong today. मुझे ठंड लग रही है. I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. मुझे बहुत गर्मी लग रही है. I am feeling very hot. I am feeling very hot. आज का मौसम शानदार है. The weather is wonderful today. The weather is wonderful today. आज का दिन बहुत ठंडा है. Today is a very cold day. Today is a very cold day. बादल गरज रहे हैं. The clouds are thundering. The clouds are thundering. बिजली चमक रही है. Lightning is flashing. Lightning is flashing. तेज बारिश हो रही है. It is raining heavily. It is raining heavily. बिजली चमक रही है. Lightning is flashing. Lightning is flashing. हल्की बारिश हो रही है. It is raining lightly. It is raining lightly. आज बारिश की संभावना है. There is a chance of rain today. There is a chance of rain today. मौसम साफ हो गया है. The weather has cleared up. The weather has cleared up. सूरज निकल आया है. The sun has come out. The sun has come out. बाहर बहुत हवा है. It is very windy outside. It is very windy outside. खिड़की बंद कर दो. Close the window. Close the window. दरवाज़ा बंद कर दो. Close the door. Close the door. बाहर मत निकलो. Don't go outside. Don't go outside. गर्म कपड़े पहन लो. Wear warm clothes. Wear warm clothes. हल्के कपड़े पहन लो. Wear light clothes. Wear light clothes. धूप का चश्मा पहन लो. Wear sunglasses. Wear sunglasses. पानी पीते रहो. Keep drinking water. Keep drinking water. आज का तापमान बहुत अधिक है. The temperature is very high today. The temperature is very high today. मौसम का आनंद लो. enjoy the weather, enjoy the weather, enjoy the weather. आज मौसम ठंडा और सुहावना है. The weather is cool and pleasant today. The weather is cool and pleasant today. कल मौसम कैसा रहेगा? How will the weather be tomorrow? How will the weather be tomorrow? आज धूप और बादल दोनों हैं. It is sunny and cloudy today. It is sunny and cloudy today. बाहर बहुत धूल उड़ रही है. It is very dusty outside. It is very dusty outside. मौसम अचानक बदल गया. The weather changed suddenly. The weather changed suddenly. शाम को बारिश हो सकती है. It may rain in the evening. It may rain in the evening. सुबह का मौसम बहुत अच्छा था. The weather was very nice in the morning. The weather was very nice in the morning. रात में ठंड बढ़ जाती है. It gets cold at night. मौसम का पूर्वानुमान सही था. The weather forecast was correct. The weather forecast was correct. आज का मौसम मुझे बहुत पसंद है. I really like today's weather. I really like today's weather. That's it for today. आज आपने 50 weather English sentences सीखे हैं. आप इन sentences को रोज प्रैक्टिस कीजिए.